Now let us play. Yes, as you can hear guys, it is playing very nicely. Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be looking at this Bluetooth adapter. Maybe you have an amplifier or you have a car which have those radio which don't support Bluetooth. This video is for you. So let us see if they work, and let us unbox and see how they look like or how they function. So it came with this this packaging. The packaging is so poor. I don't know why they cannot afford a box, a small little box, but this is how it came. So to our unboxing, you will find this small USB to micro USB for charging. Then we have two parts. It comes with two parts. We have the body itself. I don't know how you can call it. Let us say the adapter itself. Then we have this 3mm jack to 3mm jack. This thing, I don't know how we can call it, this one. Then also we have some manual. We have some manual here. Don't know why it is refusing to come out. Then we have a user manual here, as you can see. No one reads this one. Then on the body itself, on the adapter itself, we have a charging port here. For this we have charging port 3 for micro USB, this one. Then we have a button here for on and off. So if you switch it on, you just press this one and hold. It will light blue, as you can see. And if you want to switch it, let's set this one aside. And if you want to switch it off, press and hold. Give it a second, and there it is off. Then we have a mic. I think I have never tested this mic, but I think it's if you are on a car and you don't want to touch your phone, or your phone is connected to Bluetooth, you can use this mic. Then we have a 3mm jack port where you plug this one in like this. Then you plug on maybe your radio if it has this 3mm jack, so that you can provide your song. If it's something you are playing, will receive here and then will be transferred to the either radio, or if you are using an amplifier which doesn't have a Bluetooth, then we have a Bluetooth word here. So guys, let's go and test this one and see how it functions. Now guys, I have gotten one victim which I can test with this vehicle. Now this is the radio. This radio does not support Bluetooth, so let us test with this one. So let us plug it there and then let us switch it on.
Power on.
As you can hear, it has been switched on, and I had already connected with this phone. Guys, let me show you. Now just go to Bluetooth. Now if you go to Bluetooth, if you search, you'll find this. I had already been connected, and it will still tell you the percentage of the battery when you have already charged the adapter. Now I had already connected. It's just plug and play, and you can just connect and pair. It will just do that automatically. So if you go to your Bluetooth and search, you will find this Bluetooth music. So you just connect and pair. So after doing that, guys, let us test if it works. So let us open the music here. I have a app here. Now let us play. Yes, as you can hear guys, it is playing very nicely, and this is the adapter guys. As you can see, the music's play very nicely. Let me bring it to a speaker. It is playing. it is playing very nicely. This adapter is just plug and play, and then you can see reduce your volume here. Now you are reduced, and you can still increase like that, or you can reduce on your radio, or even some amp. You can use this on amp which doesn't support Bluetooth. So I think guys, these Bluetooth adapters are very nice to use, mostly if you don't have a radio which doesn't have Bluetooth. You can use, and they are very light. It's something which you can put on your pocket. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next one.